In this debate, I'm going to talk about nature and nurture. They both play a crucial role in the human behavior and the motor development. But there's one major difference. Nature cannot be controlled or manipulated, but nurture can. That's why nature is important because, as McGrath explained, motor behavior changes as the nervous system grows. Plus, just like the maternal perspective, genes can control motor development and the environment has little effect. I'm gonna touch on three things. I'm gonna touch on early stimulation, brain plasticity, and gender genetic differences on illness. First, early stimulation. Yes, it plays a huge important role on the motor development. For example, mimicry. Mimicry is used by babies and they learn that way by observing. And that ability to learn that way is hardwired in the nervous system and is passed down. Genetics, yep. Plus, the evolutionary biologist Richard Dawkins stated that a lot of stuff that we perform are seen and copied from past generations. So, second, brain plasticity is important as well because that's what allows the individual to perform tasks every day. For example, a person having OCD is a mental illness in which the front part of the brain and the deep structure of the brain cannot communicate well. And this can cause anxiety, stress, and all sort of bad things. To decrease OCD, you need to increase serotonin. And plus, with brain plasticity, you can reshape pathways and reorganize the brain so that it can be good. Lastly, gender genetic differences on the illness.
We all know that we have different hormones. Men have testosterone and women have estrogen.
Solomon explained that females are more likely to get disease or disorders like Alzheimer, panic attack, stress, anxiety, and all sort of bad things. And most women are dying because of ischemic heart attack. And that's due to the lack of medical attention given to them. Nature is a factor for a sport career, but nurture is really important because the individual needs to put in time to work on the skills and the mindset so they can get ready to perform well in games. For example, a 5'6" point guard, Spud Webb, was really good in the NBA, but even though he wasn't gifted genetically. To conclude this debate, nature is important because early stimulation, brain plasticity, and gender genetic differences cannot be controlled or manipulated. That's what makes it unique because it works on its own and it does its magic by itself.